And first of all, just bring us up to speed on where this investigation goes from here. What's next?
All right, so terrific question, Craig. So we obviously know about the search warrant that occurred last week. But, you know, this was kind of missed in a filing by prosecutors, and I'm going to read from it. This was filed late in the day on Friday, or at least became public late on the day on Friday, that the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York has already obtained search warrants, covert until this point, on multiple different email accounts maintained by Cohen. They said that they were able to get the results of that review, is reported by the filter team, which is what we've been talking about for the last several days, and that they were able to understand from those searches that Cohen was in fact, and I'm quoting directly, performing little to no legal work, and that 0 emails were exchanged with President Trump. So what that tells us is that the U.S. Attorney's Office and federal investigators have already had a chance to get into Michael Cohen's emails outside of this whole court action. So while this kind of plays out and a judge determines about the material that was seized from Cohen's apartment, from the law office that he was working at, these 10 boxes of documents, the computers, the hard drives, etc. Well, the legal kind of back and forth occurs with that, Craig. We know that they've already been able to get a handle on his email accounts. So presumably at this point, they're able to move forward with that component of the investigation so that they can get a sense as to what he was communicating with people about. Was there any illegality there? And even if that material is somehow there's a pause as far as them sharing it more back and forth within the U.S. Attorney's Office between these two teams, the investigative and potentially trial team and this filter team, they still know the contents of what they have already. So this is not an investigation that has completely slammed on the brakes. So I think, you know, when you want to talk about what's next, I think what's next is they have some investigative steps that they can already take, and there are some avenues that they may already be able to pursue, even while they wait for the outcome of what's been going on in court and what we were talking about yesterday.
They're in the process right